Welcome to our cooking tutorial.
Today, we're making a delicious chocolate cake using our step-by-step recipe. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 cups granulated sugar, 1 1/2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 cup whole milk, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 cup boiling water. Your oven to 350 F175C. Grease and flour to 9-inch round cake pans with parchment paper. 2. In a large mixing bowl, sift together the flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Mix well. 3. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, vegetable oil, and vanilla extract. Add to the dry ingredients and stir until smooth. 4. Pour in the boiling water and stir until the batter is smooth. 5. Divide the batter evenly between the prepared cake pans. 6. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cakes comes out clean. 7. Allow the cakes to cool in the pans for 10 minutes, before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. 8. Once the cakes are cool, frost and decorate as desired. 9. Serve and enjoy your delicious homemade chocolate cake. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can create a scrumptious chocolate cake that's sure to impress your friends and family.
Happy baking!